Well, what is the first thing you say to people in the morning? Good morning, right? Now that's a cliche. What if I teach you all new ways to greet people in the morning? Sounds interesting, right? So give in all your attention, friends.
We're gonna keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
Number 1. Top of the morning to you. Doesn't it sound fresh? Yes, you can use this to greet people in the morning instead of using the boring way of just saying good morning. Number 2. Good day to you. You can use this. It will surely make their day. So try it. Say good day to you. Number 3 is rise and shine. You can say this usually when you are waking up somebody. So just say rise and shine. Number 4 is what a pleasant morning we are having. The word pleasant itself has a feel good vibe about it. So why not try this and bring a smile on somebody's face? So try it. Just say what a pleasant morning we are having. Number 5 is look alive. You can say this to somebody who is going very slow in the morning and starting their day in a very inactive way. So try this from tomorrow. So you can see there are so many ways to express yourself. Come forward and learn new things each passing day. Hope you liked today's video. If you have liked, don't forget to give a like. And if you are new on this channel, do subscribe to my channel. So until we meet again, take care and goodbye.